Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a video for offline viewing. Let's begin. The first way to view your videos offline is to download your video as an MP4 file, or an MKV file if you set up automatic captioning during import. You need a premium subscription to do this. Then click on the download icon like this. You can also enable your viewers to view your video offline, for example, on a plane or train, without providing them with the MP4 file directly. This mode is equivalent to the Netflix offline viewing mode. This allows you to keep your video's subtitles, chaptering, and interactivity offline. The process is straightforward. Look for the video you want to enable the offline mode on. Then select Enable Offline Viewing. You can also click on the Download Offline Version option. This will download an HTML file that can, for example, be integrated into a school or company's private server. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.